Assalamu alaikum my foodies, welcome to Embroidery and Cooking. As you have already heard read the title, in this video I'm going to show you how to make strawberry syrup for pancakes. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So the first thing first, for this syrup you're gonna need of course strawberries. I've taken about half cup of strawberries and cut them into bite-sized pieces. You're gonna need almost half cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix it and save it for later use. You're gonna need some honey and 1 cup of water. Turn on your stove and add your water. Your honey goes according to your taste. Add your strawberries. You can take as much as you like, but I'm the only one who eat pancakes in the whole house. That's why I'm going to make just a little bit amount, which I can use it in just 1 week. You can store it for about 1 week in the refrigerator. Now we're going to boil it. Give it a good boil until strawberries are soft. So we have boiled it for about good 5 to 7 minutes, and now I'm going to add my cornstarch plus water, which we have already mixed. Give it a good mix. Give it a boil, and you can, after boiling it, you can stop at this point, but I want my syrup to be smooth. That's why I'm going to go ahead and blend it in the blending jar. So my mixture was cooled down, and then I have blended it in the blender jar, and here you can see it. It's very smooth. Hope you like it. Please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Embroidery and Cooking, and please make sure to give it big thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.